Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's another super recipe, Burkina or Degue. Let me show you how to make this from scratch. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Do you still remember our spiced millet flour? I guess you do. Now let's use this to make millet couscous. I'll be using 2.5 cups of the spiced millet flour. And then I'll go ahead and sift it. This is the chaff I had from the 2.5 cups of the flour. To that, I add 185 ml of cold water, but I'll be adding the water little by little till pills start to form, okay? At this point, you can see that the pills have started forming. So I will shake my bowl for the bigger ones to come on top, and then the smaller pills will settle down. Actually, we want the smaller pills, okay? So I get a different bowl here and then collect the smaller pills. Now we have gotten all the smaller pills out, leaving the bigger ones, so we work on it to get smaller pills again. And there we are done. So simple and easy to make at home. Take a close look, and you don't need any special equipment to make this. Alright, so let's proceed to the next step. In a pan, I add in cold water. Just use any reasonable amount of water, okay? Depending on the type of pan you are using, cooking pot you are using. So here I bring my colander on top, just like this. And then I go ahead and pour in the pills we just made. Here I level it up. And then I cover it with a chiffon cloth. You can also use a clean napkin to do this. After that, I cover again with a lid, alright, and allow this to cook on medium heat for about 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes, guys. Let's check. Wow, this is beautiful. The vapor has actually done a great job. Our millet couscous is ready, guys. You can see it yourself. This is beautiful. You don't need to buy this outside. Trust me, you can make it even better. So here I transfer the millet couscous into a different bowl. And then I use my fork, try to separate it up. Incredible. We have done a great job. Just look at this. Now we are done with part 1. Now let's move on to part 2. This is my homemade yogurt. I made this myself, and I have a video on how to make yogurt at home. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check it up. So here I fetch some of the yogurt and then keep it in my refrigerator, so that next time if I want to make yogurt, I'll not bother myself to make yogurt starter again. Alright, I hope this one is not a new thing to you guys. Yes, I guess. Here I whisk my yogurt to get a running consistency, but I think it's too thick to my liking, so I will add water to adjust the consistency. Now check. This is what I want. This is the perfect consistency that I want. Alright? Here I add my condensed milk. And I also add my flavor. This is vanilla essence, okay? And then I mix all together. You can also add sugar to adjust the sweet. In case you want your Burkina to be too sweet, you can add sugar to it. But to me, I think the condensed milk is okay for me, okay? This is individual differences. Then here I add my millet couscous. The millet couscous we made together. So we add it to the yogurt and mix all together. And guys, our Burkina or Degue is ready. Isn't it simple and easy to make at home? Trust me, you don't need to buy this outside. And we still have some of our millet couscous. You can store this in a Ziploc bag and then put it in your freezer, or you dry it and store it at room temperature. So simple. Hope you try your hands on it, and please let me know how it goes for you. So I said, why make I enjoy the fruit of my labor. Guys, this was so good. Can somebody believe that I cleared this food all by myself? Hey, don't call me selfish. Find a different word for me. Bye. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye.